Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel King Technology UG. In today's video I'm going to be showing how to find your lost Android device, whether it is lost, misplaced. Here is the way. You're going to go to Google Chrome or Google web browser, and you're going to search. So this is my Google. You're going to search find my device. You're going to go to Google and search find my device. So these are the options which will be displayed for you. So I have here find hub, locate, lock and erase your device. I have find your phone. So here basically I will be using these two, but this one is just like the same as this one. So I'm going to use this first option here. I click on it. Now before you do anything, make sure that if you're using a desktop or a PC, make sure that your Google account is there, and the same Google account which is there, it's the same Google account on your device, because without that it will not work. Make sure before you do anything, you first sign in on that device you're using, either a desktop PC or a laptop. First sign in your Google account before you do anything. Mine is already here, it's signed in. So I'm just going to go here on my Find Hub and I will tap sign in, and it will be able to show for me. So this is my device. It's already contacting my device. Once it has already contacted the device, and I'm with my device here at the moment, and now on my phone I have got a notification that Find Hub has contacted your device, has found your device. I've got a notification on my phone, and this is the location where my phone is. You can see this is my location where the phone is. Now you can even play a sound. Assume you are in a room and your friend or anyone has snitched your phone. You can be able to just go on Google Chrome, type in find my device, log in your Google account and be able to lock your device. You can lock your device, factory reset it, or even play a sound. When you play sound, it will make an alarm and you'll be able to find it. So let me play this sound. When I tap on play sound, you can see the sound will play continuously until you tap on stop, and from there you'll be able to move systematically to where the phone is and get it. Now assuming you've tried playing the sound but the phone is not within that place, it will still ring, but since it's not within that location, you just have to go over here. When you come over here, you can drag and adjust and be able to see the location. When I tap on it, it will open Google Maps. It's opening Google Maps. When it opens Google Maps, you can see here you can get the exact location where the device is. I can tap direction. Most of you know how to use Google Maps. I can decide also to send this location here onto another device or an email, where I can easily, assuming you've just requested a PC from someone to be able to trace your phone, you can send an email of this location to that device where you'll be able to trace. So basically that is it. And when I see my device location is already here, I'm within my device at this time. Now when the device is not online at that time, it will show for you the last seen time. When was the device last seen? It will pick the exact data when the device was last online. Okay, so basically that is it. But still you can lock it even if the device is offline. When the device comes back online, it will automatically lock itself. So that is it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like and comment, and also share to your friends for more video tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.